Hello, my dear students. Very good morning to all of you. And first of all, I would like to express my gratitude towards my first chapter and the response which I get from your side. So, thank you for your love, your affection, your pyar. So, for next video lecture, we will discuss next chapter, and from today onwards we will talk about the 8th chapter, or it is first chapter of second part of class 11th NCERT. The chapter name is redox reaction. Very interesting topic and little twisted as well, little calculation is involved, so many things, and again we will enjoy this chapter as we did enjoy in our first chapter, or the 16th part of that first chapter was some basic concept of chemistry. So we can start. The topic of this chapter is oxidation number and ox number. What is this? It is oxidation number or ox number. And students, redox reaction, little we know from class 10th. Okay, redox means red plus ox. It is not red ox, that ox is red, it is nothing like anything. It is reduction plus oxidation. Reduction means removal of oxygen or addition of hydrogen. Next is oxidation, addition of oxygen and removal of hydrogen in a certain chemical reaction. So this is second part, but very important portion of this chapter is oxidation number, and this topic is like 90 or 80% of this chapter, because the basic concept of redox reaction is oxidation number. So we are going to start. It is total actual charge present on species, or species can be atom, molecule or ion. What is oxidation number? Whatever the charge of that particular species. The species is atom, molecule or ion. In chemistry we will prefer three species: atoms, molecule and ions. So atoms, molecule, ions, I listed the symbol of some atom, the formula of some molecule and some ions. So atoms, see, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, sulfur, iodine, nitrogen and neon. See here, is there any charge? Answer is no, no charge, neither cation nor anion. So its ox number, or collectively we can say the ox number of atoms is 0 because of no charge. Same thing with molecule: water molecule, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, nitrogen monoxide and methane, sulfur dioxide, or it is also nitric oxide, correct? So see there, no charge is again, because it is neutral, no plus charge, no minus charge. So again ox number of molecule will be 0. Students, as per definition, it is total actual charge present on given species. Species can be atom, molecule or ion. So we cleared about atom and molecule. Now ion. See, it is fluoride ion, chloride, bromide, iodide, all having -1 charge. So ox number of these first 4 ions will be -1, because whatever the charge of that species, it is ox number of that particular ion, correct? Cyanide ion, Cn minus, -1 charge. Hydroxide ion, -1 charge. So its ox number will be -1, -1. Sulfate ion, -2. Carbonate ion, -2. So its charge, its ox number will be -2. And similarly ammonium ion, NH4 positive, ox number is how much? It is +1, correct? So now after completing the atom, molecule, ions portion, we will see some fixed ox number, some variable ox number, some different category of ox number. So first of all, some fixed ox number of element in their compound. So first I took alkali metal. What is the fixed ox number? fixed ox number means ox number of these elements are fixed. Ox number of these elements are fixed in their compound. Suppose first point is for alkali metal, and I mentioned alkali metal, the ox number of element means alkali metal in their compound is always +1. Whatever alkali metal, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. So students, one question can be arises, like if I have to calculate ox number of sodium and ox number of sodium in NaCl. Here students are facing lots of problem. So he is asking ox number of sodium. See, sodium belongs to atom because it is individual. It is nothing like atom. And as per definition, ox number of alkali metal in their compound means ox number of Na in NaCl means ox number of individual Na, it will be 0, but ox number of Na in NaCl, it will be +1. So it is nothing but it is the as per specified box or specified comments that some fixed ox number of element in their compound. We will talk about element in their compound, means not individual element. If element is individual, it will come under atom, and for atom it is what? It is 0, correct? So for alkaline earth metal, ox number is how much? It is +2. What are alkaline earth metal? Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium. Again same question, ox number of Mg or ox number of Mg in MgCl2. So Mg is what? Mg is atom na. Mg belongs to atom category, but in MgCl2 ox number of Mg will be +2. So these two lines are very much specific regarding ox number. Or further acid molecule, so ox number equal to 0 because its come category under molecule O2, S2, P4, N2, Br2 acid. What is individual molecule? Molecule which are formed by same atoms, correct? So next, more than one ox number of element in their compound, is it possible? Answer is yes. One element having more than one ox number in different compound. See, first is oxygen and second is hydrogen. For oxygen, ox number can be -2, -1, -1/2, +2 and +1. Where? Not individual. Ox number of oxygen individual will be 0, but ox number of oxygen in their compound, and compound can be normal oxide. In normal oxide, ox number of oxygen is -2. In peroxide, ox number of oxygen is -1. In superoxide, ox number of oxygen is -1/2, and ox number of oxygen is +2 or +1 in the compound, and compound named as fluoride of oxygen. So students, you are little be curious about what are normal oxide, peroxide and superoxide. So we will see all these in my next video lecture. Just example, normal oxide means any oxides of particular element. For example, see, first for example, it can be considered as, it can be treated as normal oxide. But peroxide and superoxides are rarely common, like sodium peroxide, Na2O2, hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. You used that's H2O2 in the wounding of our skin, or some when our skin is cut, when some outgrowth, like some bacterial infection. So we used to wash that liquid. This is known as H2O2 or hydrogen peroxide. Next is superoxide, potassium superoxide, rubidium superoxide, etc. These are fixed or rare, but normal oxides is not rare. It's very common and generally formed by metals and non-metals both. Okay, fluoride of oxygen like OF2, O2F2, oxygen difluoride, dioxygen difluoride. So for OF2, ox number of oxygen is +2, and for O2F2, ox number of oxygen is +1. So we will see how we can calculate, and in my next video lecture we will talk about calculation of ox number. But first, platform is must, basic knowledge is must, correct? So number 2, more than one ox number, the category for hydrogen. Hydrogen means hydride, metal hydride or non-metal hydride. So for -1 it is for sodium hydride or metal hydride, means Ox number of hydrogen in metal hydride is -1. Hydrogen is element and so metal hydride are compound. So again I can repeat, Ox number of hydrogen in metal hydride is always -1, not -1, it's always -1, correct? Ox number of hydrogen in the case of non-metal hydride, it's always +1. Students, what are metal and non-metal hydride? The hydride in which H is connect with metal is known as metal hydride, and the hydride or hydrogen which connect by non-metal, it will be known as non-metal hydrides. It depends on connectivity of hydrogen. One more interesting thing, alkyl group formula. Students, we studied in 10th class na, alkane, alkene, alkyne. So general formula of alkane was CnH2n plus 2. For alkene it is CnH2n, and for alkyne it is CnH2n minus 2. One more category, it is alkyl group and denoted by R. R is CnH2n plus 1. Okay, means in between alkene and alkyl. So formula is CH3, C2H5, C3H7. If n equal to 1, then it will be CH3, n will be 2, then C2H5, 3, then C3H7, so forth. So for example, I have nitro alkyl nitrite or nitroalkene. So Ox number of alkyl group is fixed, it is +1, correct? So Ox number of alkyl in nitroalkane or where alkyl group is attached, it will be Ox number, it is +1. And next is Ox number of alloy mixture. Never report +1 -1, always 0, because it is mixture. What is? It is mixture. So Ox number of sodium, Ox number of mercury in sodium amalgam, it is 0, 0, correct? So students, we can summarize. In the case of atom, Ox number is 0. For molecule, it is also 0. For ions, whatever the charge bearing by that ion, it is what? It is that Ox number of that particular species or ions. For alkali metal in their compound, Ox number of alkali metal in their compound is +1. Ox number of alkaline earth metal in their compound is +2. Ox number of individual molecule is 0. Ox number of oxygen in normal oxide -2, in peroxide -1, in superoxide -1/2, and fluoride, difluoride, oxygen difluoride, it is +2, and dioxygen difluoride, it is +1. For Ox number of hydrogen in metal hydride, it is -1. Ox number of hydrogen in non-metal hydride, it is +1. Ox number of alkyl group in nitro alkane or alkyl nitrite, it is +1. Ox number of alloy mixture, it is what? 0 and 0. So it's all about basic of Ox number, and the definition of Ox number is what? Ox number is what? Total actual charge present on any species, atom, molecule or ion. In my next video lecture, upcoming video lecture, I will speak about how we can calculate calculation part of Ox number, how we can solve it. Suppose I can give a hint, I have to calculate Ox number of Mn in KMnO4. So what I will do, I have the knowledge about Ox number of K, and K is what? K is Ox alkali metal, and alkali metal in their compound, it is fixed. What? It is +1. I have to calculate Ox number of manganese, so it is X. For oxygen, number is 4, and again Ox number of oxygen. So students, if examiner will providing oxide or oxygen containing compound, if peroxide and superoxide, then he will mention sometime, correct? So now it can be treated as normal oxide. What is this? It is normal oxide, correct? So normal oxide, ox number of oxygen in normal oxide, it is -2, and the overall charge carrying by molecule, it is 0. So value of X will be +7. And what is X? X is ox number of Mn in KMnO4. It is what? It is +7. So I will solve so many questions in my next video lecture, so that you can learn in a better way. Correct? So we will meet again. So till then, thank you. Thanks a lot.